Today, I have a question. A friend has asked me, why am I confused? Why I am not available to my decisive mind? Most of the times he is confused in taking right decisions. So I want to discuss today the game of the mind. The mind actually is programmed in such a way that it naturally does not have any decision making perfect intricacy. It usually finds itself confused because it is not having any personal existence. It finds energy from our service. When you take any particular decision, not because of any suggestion of the mind, but actually because of the surroundings or the situations or the conditions you have in your life at the moment, you take some decisions, okay? And because of that, your mind automatically gives you suggestions related to that particular decision. So, whenever you have any confusion, just think the right and the wrong. If you find something good and in your favor, do not think about the decision of the mind and the confusion that is going on into the mind. You just simply have to take the right decision, and your mind will start giving you suggestions about that. And one more thing, when you postpone that particular decision and you choose another one, if you really choose another decision by your own heart, then your mind will start giving you suggestions about that second decision also. So this is the case. The mind does not have any personal existence to give you any decisions. This is just a contrivance which you can use. Okay, it is not going to give you any decision. So do not be dependent on the mind. And when you feel any confusion, that means you really are not guided to your goal or your aim. If you have a particular aim, then that means you know where to go. Don't you know? You know. So in that case, your mind will not disturb you. Okay, mind only disturbs you or brings you to a state where you find yourself into any confusion only when you do not have any goal, or you are just going here and there on a short term of your life decisions. In your life, it is very important for you to have a particular goal or aim. Then your mind is bound to give you suggestions to reach that particular goal because it knows where you want to go. And if it doesn't know, if you are into an indecisiveness, then definitely you are going to be confused. Confusion is bound to be there. So be focused on your goal, and automatically your mind will also help you. It can be a help, yes. It can be a help, there is no doubt. But first you have to set a goal in your life and start going on that path. Then not only the mind, actually your body, your soul, and also the sleep itself also, while you sleep, you will be guided through your subconscious mind too, how to reach that particular goal. And the things will be in your favor because you have set a goal and you are bound to reach that particular goal. And the things will be in your favor. Everything will be helpful to you. So there is confusion not because mind is confusing you or this world is confusing you, because you don't have any decision about any pre-set right goal. So this is the primary thing. First, have a right goal in your life, and there will be no confusion. So I think the question is answered.